You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name of Hebrew origin. If you want to learn more confusing Hebrew names, biblical names too, in particular, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Because it's from Hebrew, it's normally pronounced as Aziel, not Aziel. It may be pronounced Aziel in English. However, being from Hebrew, it's more commonly pronounced as Aziel. How to pronounce Aziel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.